Hi, hi students. This is Dr. Badrinath. We are studying a subject of social and preventive pharmacy, also called as a social and preventive medicine, right? Today's topic is National Health Intervention Program for both mother and child. The top one relationship on the earth, mother and child. That's why the government is also giving a high priority. Number of schemes are there. Number of schemes are there regarding this. What is the speciality of this means, whereas the remaining programs like a tuberculosis program or AIDS program, whatever it may be, they can save only one person. But here in this program, they can save the two persons with a single scheme, mother as well as the child. That's why the government has introduced the number of schemes that we will see now. Okay. So this is the our subject, social and preventive medicine, social and preventive pharmacy. Both are same, equal, exactly equal. There is no change in the syllabus also, right? It is useful for all medical and paramedical students. And this topic we have completed already all the units, and this is the fourth unit, National Health Intervention Program for mother and child. This is the today's topic. We will complete everything sweet and sharp. Okay, this is already notes. This is not what I have already collected from the textbook, and I have already summarized for you. You take a screenshot, that it will be useful as a notes. That's more than enough. Okay, a list of, see here how many lists. All these are the schemes are only related, not all the these all the schemes are related only to the mother and child, only to the mother and child. That much of priority was given. First one, see, PMMVY, Pradhana Mantri Matru Vandana Yojane. Matru Vandane. Matru means mother. Vandane means just like Namaskaram. Okay. That much of importance they are giving. That is a Pradhana Mantri's program. Pradhana Mantri Matru Vandana Yojane. All these points you have to write in the examination compulsory. How many schemes are there that I have listed out? Pradhana Mantri Suraksha Matritva Abhiyan. Suraksha, see here. This is program Pradhana Mantri, central government. Surakshit, Matritva, mother should be Suraksha. Abhiyan. Okay, that is nothing but Yojana means thinking. First one. Abhiyan, action. And Janani Suraksha Yojana. See the name. Janani Suraksha. Janani means mother. That also. Janani Sishu. Suraksha Karyakram. Janani Sishu. See here. Both came here. First one, they mainly focused on the mother. Whereas a fourth scheme. Third scheme is only on the mother. Fourth scheme, Janani Sishu. They focused on both. It is a Karyakrama. That is a Yojana. Comprehensive abortion care services. Abortion is the main termination of pregnancy that we know, abortion. It was the biggest problem once upon a time. And maternal death review, mother's death review, mother and child services, child health services. This is a very, very important. That's why I highlighted that point only we will discuss in this video. The remaining and all, you can write as just introduction and all, you can be right. That's not necessary. Also, even we cannot find the time in the exam also to write everything as that of the textbook. Textbook you cannot write, it is not possible also. Okay, so that's why I summarized for you. Mother and child health services, that's only the point here I am going to be discussed. Very, 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 very important. Okay, mother and child tracking system, adolescent health program. Adolescent, that's a maturity age. Maturity age, from that age only they have to take care. The government will take care of the by supplying or supplements, whatever it may be. Reproductive child health, mother and child protection card, Aadhaar card, just like Aadhaar card. Village health nutritional day for both mother and child. Okay, like that. So out of all the programs, we will see only the important program, mother and child health services. Very, 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 very important one. Why this is important means, here they have designed a program in a very nice manner. It provides a 4 levels of services to mother and neonate. Neonate means name itself indicates newly coming to the earth. Neonate, newborn, like that, newborn. That's why it is called a neonate. Okay, mother, not a child. Child means already grown. Baby means grown. Neonate, newly coming. Okay. So these 4 levels, what are the 4 levels? First one is a antenatal. Natal means pregnancy. Keep in your mind. Antenatal, during the pregnancy. First one, see the first one, during the pregnancy, take this. This scheme covers the four levels. First one is during the pregnancy, that is the antenatal. Second one is intranatal, during the delivery, in between. Okay, care services during the delivery. Postnatal, immediately after the delivery, postnatal care. See here, postnatal. So antenatal, intranatal, postnatal. See, mother and child are there. Here the doctor has did a surgery, that is during the pregnancy, during the delivery. This is during pregnancy, this is during delivery. And finally, neonatal care. First 1 week is important after the birth. So neonatal, this is a neonatal care services. Okay, like this. 4 divisions they have made very nicely. They have designed. Each one we will see. First one, everything. First one, antenatal care services. It provides a services during the pregnancy. During the pregnancy, what they want to? They want to promote, they want to protect, and they want to maintain the health of a woman during the pregnancy. These are the promoting, protecting, and as well as the maintenance of the health of the pregnant woman. Okay, next, detect the high risk cases. Either the pregnancy is risk, like that, they will detect the high risk and give them special care, because risk is there. That's why they are providing a special care. All these are the during the pregnancy. All these points are very important. Identify the complications of pregnancy. Is there any complications in the pregnancy, or any problem in the baby, and preventing them in there itself. And educate the mother about the nutrition. Nutrition is very important. You have to take a lot of nutrition, like that. Educating the mother about the nutrition, clothing, and personal hygiene, cleanliness. Nowadays it is very, very important. Otherwise the bacteria, fungus, they are all ready. Corona is also ready to enter. If you are not maintaining the hygiene, that's it. And services, what they have provided here: prenatal advice. Prenatal, before pregnancy, they will advise related to the diet, cleanliness, exercise, physical examination of the mother. Okay, lab, pregnancy, not mother here, pregnancy only. Lab investigations, any lab technician, lab tests. Okay, and supplementation, very, very important. Protect the mother against the deficiency of iron, folic acid, very, very important for ladies. Folic acid is vitamin B9. 9, why means they have given, we can remember easily, because pregnancy is a 9 months, like that, easily you can remember. Vitamin B9, folic acid, iron. Okay, and second one, during the delivery, it provides services during the delivery or childbirth. It provides the through as aseptic condition, asepsis, prevent the complications such as a hemorrhage. Bleeding is the biggest problem during the delivery. So they will prevent the complication of the hemorrhage, convulsions. Most of the ladies, they will get convulsions. Pregnancy convulsion handling the case is very difficult, because they have to prescribe the convulsion, but that damages the baby also. That's why that case is very serious. Pregnancy with convulsion, serious case. Hemorrhage, convulsions, providing the care to the baby breathing. Immediately after the childbirth, baby has to breathe, the baby has to cry. Deliver the baby without injury to baby and mother, without injury, delivery. They have to make it. Natural delivery preferable, but however, nowadays, it's a services, domiciliary care, place the mother comfortably on the bed after delivery, providing some hot drink like a tea, coffee. Government is giving a food for them also, coffee, tea, for everything. Government is providing. All these schemes are government. Clean the mother completely after delivery, fix the napkin, and demonstrate the prenatal care. Okay, like that. And the postnatal care, it provides after delivery. Now mother and baby, two are there. One person came into two here. To provide the care to mother and baby, to achieve their optimum health, average health they are maintaining. To prevent the post-partial complication, post-delivery complications are there. All the post, because pregnancy is nothing but a next birth, again one more birth for the lady. Everybody is saying that much of complication is there. That's why government has given a high priority, high importance. If one person died, there is a chance of death of a child also. Okay, like that. Some complications are pregnancies, complications. Okay, to prevent the postpartum complications, to provide family planning services, because this is after delivery. If is there anything, they immediately they will do vasectomy or tubectomy is there. For ladies it is a tubectomy, for gents it is a vasectomy. That is another part. Tubectomy they will do, they will cut the fallopian tubes, so automatically what happens, so that also it is a part of the this one. To check adequacy of the breastfeeding, milk is correctly coming or not, like that. To provide the care for a rapid restoration of the mother optimum health, because during the delivery, entire thing she has given to baby. Now she has to regenerate. So entire thing again they have to give in the form of a food or supplement, restoration of the energy again. Okay, and services, postnatal examination after delivery again they will examine hemoglobin, very very important. Hemoglobin examination during the postnatal visit, teaching the postnatal exercises, what is the positions they have to hold, and family planning services like tubectomy and all I have already told you, and the complete health checkup of this. Yeah, next last slide. Provides the neonatal care only for baby care here. See here, only baby is there. First 1 week is important. For the first 1 week of life, very 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 crucial. Objective, maintaining the body temperature of the baby. Constantly they have to maintain, that is we know the body temperature. Avoidance of the infection, because infections chances are more, because during a surgery there may be either they have sterilized properly or not, all the equipments and all. And establishment and maintenance of the cardiorespiratory infection, that is very very important for babies. Cardiorespiratory breathing, these infections, because born, bacteria if immediately entered, what happened, that and all they have to take it. Early detection and treatment of the congenital and acquired disorders, which is already acquired from genetically, the disorder to the baby, that also there. Establishment of satisfactory feeding regimen. Okay, and immunization, very very important, because childbirth immunization nowadays it is compulsory. Now corona second wave is going on. Second wave, see how they are going for the vaccination. I want vaccine, I want vaccine, I want vaccine. See how many days the doctors are not tolerating to stop them. That much of a heavy rush is there. One side production, that's why pharmacy is having a evergreen future in the future also. Breastfeeding, growth and development of the baby. Breastfeeding, either the baby is taking a mother milk is the very best, top one. And personal hygiene, detection of the health problem any in the baby, and treatment of the health problem, like that many things are there. Okay, I already summarized you. Don't give again discount, I already gave the discount from the textbook. I made it small to you, for you only. Okay, right. So keep watching my playlist, my channel playlist. There you can find all videos subject wise.